Step 1. Open the software first. Click on File to open the image. Click on Image Depiction. Click on File. Click on Save as EPS format. Click Save. Click on Image Depiction. Click OK. Step 2. Open the CDR file. Click on File. Click on Open, and then open the EPS file we just saved. Select Curve. Click OK. Check this file. Left mouse button, click on the X-shape pattern to remove the file. This time we see that it's blank. Right mouse click. We can see the outline. Select the file and delete the excess. This circle position is very black, indicating that there are two layers of this line and we need to delete one. This position is jagged. The color is deeper here. Move to the side by clicking the mouse here and delete. Let's look at the position. This can be deleted. We select the pattern and hold down the Shift key. And move the mouse over the intersection of the selected outline and the one above it. Click on the Merge pattern. If we feel that the circle is not round enough, we can draw a new one. Click on the Circle tool. Hold down the Ctrl key and draw a circle with the mouse. Click on the Selection tool after drawing. Let's move the circle over here. Delete the previous. This needs to be split, so let's click on Split. If we need to modify the outline, first select the file. Click on the Shape tool. Select Curve. We can adjust the shape by moving the arrows. We can also add nose. Put the mouse in this position. Double-click on the mouse. We can adjust the shape. Once we've made our adjustments, click on the Selection tool. Check all. Lock this scaled lock. Enlarge the file 10 times and click Enter. Click on File, click on Export key. Export file format to PLT format. Click on Export. Click OK. Now this file can be used as an engraving.